Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use EBT card at Costco. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be for you to make sure that you do have enough funds on your EBT card, and you do know the limitation of your card for the items that you can actually purchase using this. Once you have done information, reject it. You can go to any of the Costco warehouse, and when you go, just as usual, like you used to do, like you use a credit debit card, you're gonna go check out at the products, take out whatever you need, and then here in the checkout section in the counter, you're gonna give them your EBT card. And as I told you before, make sure the enough balance is there and the correct products. Once you do the checkout, you will simply be able to aka use your EBT card on Costco. But in case for some reason you're not being able to do it or redeem it, all you have to do is simply ask any of the Costco employees and just ask them why I'm not being able to use it. They will let you know what products are available in that, if in case you're unsure of that, and check out the balance as well and the activation as well. If this still does not help, make sure to contact the Costco support and let them know your issue and simply check it out. That is the way for you to use your card. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.